Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we are doing a wig review on a wig that I previously reviewed earlier this year, the infamous Katya. So I'm coming back to y'all with a clearer video, because when I first initially reviewed that wig earlier this year, my settings were so jacked up and I was so disappointed with the quality, but I fixed my settings so this video is clearer. And two, I wanted to come back to you guys with color options. So I have 3 different colors for you guys, as you saw in the thumbnail, and I wanted to come back with this one because when I recently reviewed Katya in 3 different colors, the textures were all off. They were all different. You know, it was some inconsistency. So I had to, for you guys, to see if the textures are different. So you definitely want to stay tuned to the end to find out if the colors changed with the texture. And you want to stay tuned for the colors. I mean, come on now. I have 3 different colors for you guys. I have this Havana Brown, creamy mocha, and of course this natural color. So this is definitely a color lookbook and my overall thoughts on if I still love this wig. But y'all know, I'm smiling. Yeah. So you definitely want to stay tuned. So I'm not going to show you the install with all 3 of the wigs. I'm just going to show you how I kind of put this one on and, you know, cut out the faux scalp, all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and jump into the install, and then I'm going to wrap it up with all the colors and how I feel. Give this video a thumbs up for your girl. Hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into this.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas.
So I'm going to talk this faux scalp cutting out part through. You're going to start off with a seam ripper. I like to start off cutting a hole right in the middle of this faux scalp, and then I go in with the seam ripper. This part right here, guys, you want to do very delicately. You're going to look for the clear thread that's in between the faux scalp and the lace, and you're going to cut that out. So it's like a little plastic thread, but once you cut it out, it becomes very easy to cut out, but you want to do this part slow because you don't want to rip your lace. So I'm showing you guys here where the clear thread is, and you're going to cut it really slow. And then once you, like I said, start to cut it, it starts to pull off easy, but you just want to go in and keep like cutting out that plastic clear thread. So I continue this process all the way around the faux scalp, and then in the back you're just gonna go in with your scissors. It's really easy once you cut it out. Just remember to take your time. It's not a race because you don't want to rip the lace. So this is what it's gonna look like after you're done cutting it out, and then I just go in and brush out the wig because you're gonna have a lot of loose strands after. So next I'm going to prep all 3 of the wigs the same exact way. I'm going to go in with a hot comb on low heat, and I'm just brushing back those baby hairs. I'm going in with just a little bit of serum just at the top of the wig just to kind of smooth it out. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut the lace, and I'm using an eyebrow razor because this helps make it not look so straight and more jagged. So I'm just going to show you guys how I install the Havana Brown one. I prepped this wig the same exact way as I prepped all 3 of the wigs. This one, I actually went in with my bedhead spray and a little bit of foundation underneath, but I'm going to talk about it later where I actually like to go in with the foundation after as opposed to going in under, but I'll explain that later. And then that's pretty much it.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. You should lie on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's
guys, so I'm back putting on Miss Katya. Miss Katya. We love Katya for a reason, and I got reminded why we love this wig. So this is the Havana Brown, and I wanted to do this one in the Havana Brown because I did the Havana Brown in Katyana and she was hitting, so I was like, I had to come back with the original Havana Brown and show y'all why we loved Katya and Havana Brown. This wig is amazing. So I'm in love with the texture on this one. It's not too dense. The hairline looks good. I actually did not go in and pluck this wig. You can part this wig wherever you need to. It is a 13x6 lace frontal, so it's a lot of parting space in here. I just went ahead and went down in the middle just to kind of give you guys some different options with looks, and I like her. I still like her. I love the texture on this. It's really soft, but it's flowy. It's not too thick and it's not too hard. Like, she's a really good texture. I didn't have to put any wig spray on this or serum or anything, so I really do like that. I do suggest going in and cutting out that faux scalp like I showed you guys. My original review, I didn't cut it out, but it kind of looked like I just had a wig cap on, so that's kind of what it would look like. I'm happy to know that the faux scalps are not included in the recent Perfect Hairline wigs from Outre, so that's a plus. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the other color and then give you guys some more, thoughts. Let's go ahead and jump into the other color. Alright guys, so I'm back with this creamy mocha. This is like one of my favorite colors. This one in creamy toffee is my favorite color. So I had this wig in my closet since earlier this year, and I had told you guys when I first reviewed Katya in that, what was it, creamy chocolate, that I had accidentally got that color, and this is the color I had wanted. I fell in love with this color with Outre Sky. I'm gonna keep saying it. That color on that wig was amazing, but I think this might be my go-to. This might be my go-to right now. Like, this wig might be my go-to wig. I can't even find Sky anywhere else, so this one, at first, this color kind of comes off a little ash blonde and grayish, but it's not. There's so many dimensions in this wig, guys. Outre always does an amazing job with their color blends. Like, I think the lighting is making it look a little bit more ashier, but there's some yellow tone in here. Let's see if I can tone this down. I don't know. I need y'all to appreciate this color. So look at that. So you have some blonde in here, you have some 613, you have some brown, you have some ambers. Like, there's a lot of different colors in this wig, and I really like it. I really like it. So I came back with a side part for you guys just to kind of give you a different look of how, to show how y'all could switch it up. And I also applied this one a little bit different than my first one. I got reminded that it's kind of better to go in, like, I started this video with my makeup on, so it's better to kind of apply it without makeup on your forehead, because when I was initially applying it, I had makeup on and then I went in and I put a little bit of foundation underneath the lace to kind of tint it. But what happened is with the bedhead spray, it kind of was getting a little cakey and it wasn't matching that good. So I cleaned my forehead with alcohol and then I applied the wig with the bedhead, and then I put the makeup kind of on top of it. This wig lace color is a little ashy, so you do have to put something to match it. I'm noticing that this lace color is a little bit different than the newer Perfect Hairline lace colors. Like, the newer one is slightly darker. This one is a little bit more ashy, so you do have to apply your products to match it. I just applied it straight out of the pack with the bedhead spray, and then I went in with my foundation that was on my brush after, and I went in with a little bit of contour, just to kind of darken it a little bit, and I think it looks pretty good. It looks really good. Again, if you're gonna do makeup, make sure you clean your forehead with like some alcohol. And also, while I was spraying it, like, it was dripping down the side and getting all cakey, so I had to reapply my makeup on the sides because it was getting all cakey. So keep that in mind when you do apply the wig. But this one was actually easier to apply than the first one. I think because I didn't have to mess with the makeup and how cakey it got, But I like her. I like her a lot. I also got reminded why I love bedhead. I don't know why I stopped using it. Y'all know I'm a product junkie, so I do like to try different lace adhesives just to kind of tell you guys kind of how it is. But the bedhead, it dries fast, y'all. It doesn't flake. It doesn't get cakey. And it also, it's not like too tacky. Like, it's not like a lot of residue that is left after. So I really do like the bedhead. I think certain wigs with certain things that you're trying to do, different adhesives, work. But this one was really fast. I got 3 wigs to do for y'all. So this was really fast and she's secure. So this is more like a daily kind of hold, and then you come home and take the wig off at night. But it's not glue, just to keep that in mind. The ear tabs on this one, I think the ear tabs are a little bit longer than what I remember. I recently just reviewed Outre Julienne, and the ear tabs, I feel like they shortened it, but this one, because it's an older Perfect hairline, the ear tabs are a little bit longer, so you probably need to cut that off. I just left it. I left it. You see how white the lace is when you don't match it? I didn't match it over here. I just kind of matched it up here. Let's go ahead and jump into the last one and wrap this video up. I'm back. I guess I should go ahead and change my shirt real quick. There's always somebody in the comments that's like, well, you shouldn't have worn a black shirt. Hold on. Is that better? I think that is better. I just went ahead and switched up the colors for you guys so you can see the black pop out more. Shout out to Melanated Kin, because these are both Melanated Kin sweatshirts. I bought these like last year, and this is like legit my favorite sweatshirt. Like this one, A Vibe Called Blessed. And that one that I just wore, a wig day, that is from their website as well. I don't have a coupon code. I think Kyra Sean does. I'm not sure if she still does have a coupon code, but either way, I'll leave a link below so y'all can check them out. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this. Y'all, I'm so happy that I got all of these colors. I was a little skeptical because when I did Katyana, if you haven't watched that review, check it out right here. The textures were all different. They were that yucky texture, but they were all different. These textures are all the same, and they're all beautiful, and they're all flowing. I did originally review this wig, again, like I said earlier this year, and the texture was the same, but I had to just test. I had to test because some of these wigs, y'all know how it is. Sometimes these wigs, they be all different. So I did come in with a left side part for you guys, for whoever needs a left side part. If you want to see an updo, definitely check out that original review again, because I did an updo in that. But this wig is hitting. It's hitting on all sides. Middle, side, right, left, up. Anyway, she is beautiful. She is a banger. I absolutely do recommend this wig. I bought this wig again earlier this year. Now, I'm not sure if it's sold out. It was recently restocked, I think, on a few websites, and then maybe it got sold out again. But just keep checking, guys. They always do restocks, and I recommend every single one of these colors. I recommend this one. Overall, I do prefer this one over Katyana. If you are more of a beginner, I do recommend Katyana because it's a basic middle part. This one is going to give you your versatility with the parting space. So, I mean, it is what it is. I like this wig. I did go in with a little bit of subtle hairs on the side, but you don't need to do that. And a little bit of powder in the parting space. Again, with this one, same application that I did for the Creamy Mocha one. I wiped all the makeup off my forehead and I applied this wig without anything underneath the lace. I think it works better to tint the lace when you don't have makeup on. Because I had makeup on, it kind of was a challenge for me because the makeup I had on with the lace and it was getting cakey and it wasn't working. But I melted this wig and then I applied like my makeup over it to kind of blend it in the contour and all that. And I think she's melted, y'all. She's melted. She looks good. She looks really, really good. I don't know if I showed the length, but this is the length. And then in the back. Okay, so this wig is really, really soft. I feel like it won't get too hard, and if it does, go in with your Revlon blow dryer and brush her out. This is flowing. I'm not using any synthetic wig spray on this. I'm not using any serum. The texture is good. Somebody got mad at me in my original review, and they were like, ladies, this is not Neesha. You know what? It's not Neesha. It is definitely not as thick and yucky as Neesha, but it's the yucky texture. It's kind of like a relaxed yak, and I really like it. I think it's a great wig. I absolutely recommend this wig. I did try to use the band on this one. In the recent ones, I'm not using the band because it kind of is real snug to my head, but this one, it feels good. It doesn't feel too snug. It doesn't feel too tight. I think you could get away with using a band on this one, so I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. The melted hairline band, you know what? That's what it is. The melted hairline band is a little bit more snug, but the perfect hairline band, I feel like it's better if you do want to use it. I applied this wig really fast with my bedhead spray, and it's a wrap. She's beautiful, y'all. She is beautiful. All different directions. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. I have a whole bunch of pictures posted over there of this wig and styles. And also, if you like content like this, subscribe subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I do some makeup and a little bit of skincare. So go ahead and subscribe. Turn your bells all the way up so you know when I upload, because I've been a little random these days. You know, holiday time is here, so I've just been a little bit random with uploading, but definitely turn those notification bells on. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
I made it where I'm at on my own.